Hi guys. Welcome to Science Info District. Let's see. UK top aircraft carrier. HMS Queen Elizabeth is the lead ship of the Queen Elizabeth class of aircraft carriers built for the Royal Navy of the United Kingdom. The ship was named after Queen Elizabeth I and is the largest and most powerful warship ever built for the Royal Navy. It was designed to replace the Invincible-class aircraft carriers, which were retired in 2014. Here are some key features of the Queen Elizabeth class of aircraft carrier. Before we continue, please subscribe and press bell icon. Design and size. The ship has a displacement of 65,000 tons and is 280 meters, 932 feet, long. It has a beam, or width, of 73 meters, 240 feet, and a draft, or depth, of 11 meters, 36 feet. Crew facilities include a cinema, 5 physical fitness areas, gyms, a chapel, with embarked naval chaplain, and 4 galleys manned by 67 catering staff. There are 4 large dining areas, the largest with the capacity to serve 960 meals in 1 hour. There are 11 medical staff for the 8-bed medical facility, which includes an operating theater and a dental surgery. There are 1,600 bunks in 470 cabins, including accommodation for a company of 250 Royal Marines with wide access routes up to the flight deck. The ship is also equipped to support humanitarian aid and disaster relief missions. It has a large medical facility, which includes a hospital and surgical suite. The ship can also transport large amounts of cargo and supplies. Air group and crew. The design of HMS Queen Elizabeth is based on the CATABAR, catapult-assisted takeoff but arrested recovery, system, which was used by the U.S. Navy until the 1970s. However, the ship was modified to use the STAVL, short takeoff and vertical landing, system for the F-35B Lightning II fighter jets, which are the primary aircraft of the ship. The ship's crew consists of approximately 700 personnel, including sailors and aircrew, which can be extended to 1,600 with aircraft on board. It can carry up to 40 aircraft, including F-35B Lightning II fighter jets, helicopters, and unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs. The ship was built by the Aircraft Carrier Alliance, a consortium of BAE Systems, Babcock, and Thales. Under the flight deck are a further 9 decks. The hangar deck measures 155 by 33.5 meters, 509 by 110 feet, with a height of 6.7 to 10 meters, 22 to 33 feet, large enough to accommodate up to 20 fixed and rotary wing aircraft. To transfer aircraft from the hangar to the flight deck, the ships have 2 large lifts, each of which is capable of lifting 2 F-35-sized aircraft, or 1 CH-47 Chinook from the hangar to the flight deck in 60 seconds. Armaments and power. Nuclear propulsion was rejected due to its high cost and manpower required in favor of integrated electric propulsion consisting of 2 Rolls-Royce Marine Trent MT-30 36 megawatts, 48,000 horsepower, gas turbine generator units and 4 Wärtsilä diesel generators sets 15,000 horsepower. The ship's propulsion system is powered by 2 Rolls-Royce MT-30 gas turbines and 4 diesel generators, which provide a total power output of 109 megawatts. The ship can reach a maximum speed of over 25 knots and has a range of 10,000 nautical miles. The ship's offensive capabilities include the ability to launch airstrikes with its complement of F-35B fighter jets. The F-35B is a 5th-generation stealth fighter that can operate from short runways and can perform both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. The ship can also launch UAVs for reconnaissance and surveillance missions. HMS Queen Elizabeth is equipped with a variety of weapons and defense systems. It has 3 phalanx close-in weapon systems, CIWS, for short-range defense against incoming missiles and aircraft. The ship also has a number of medium and long-range air defense systems, including the Sea Scepter missile system and the Type 997 Artisan 3D radar. The ship's passive defense measures include radar-absorbent materials and a low radar cross-section design. It also has a decoy and jamming system to confuse enemy missiles and torpedoes. In terms of anti-submarine warfare, the ship has a range of sonar and anti-submarine warfare systems. It can also operate with other warships and helicopters to detect and track enemy submarines. Operations and missions. HMS Queen Elizabeth is capable of a range of missions, including carrier strike operations, humanitarian aid and disaster relief, and anti-submarine warfare. The ship is designed to operate in a carrier strike group, which consists of other warships and support vessels. The carrier strike group can project power and provide a visible presence in international waters. Limitations. The carrier has a maximum speed of 25 km. At 15 km, the range is 10,000 nanometers and the ship carries food and fuel for an endurance of 7 days between replenishments. Cost. HMS Queen Elizabeth II and its sister ship, HMS Prince of Wales, cost around £7.6 billion. HMS Queen Elizabeth is a state-of-the-art aircraft carrier that represents a significant capability for the Royal Navy. Its design and construction incorporate the latest technology and expertise, and it is capable of a range of missions. The ship's complement of F-35B fighter jets make it more invincible. What do you think, which country has the best aircraft carrier in the world? Let us know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more interesting video.